When it comes to being able to cook healthy and delicious food, there always comes that moment in the cooking process where we might need to chop up some onions or chives, maybe a little garlic here and there, and after getting it all set out on the counter, the next step would be to chop them up or dice and mince them to use for a sauce or flavor or whatever we're cooking with. But whether it's the dread of slicing open a finger or you don't want to be crying your eyes out chopping that many onions, the need to have a food processor comes in handy, as I know myself personally, is even doing that kind of repetitive motion with slicing over and over again can make my hands cramp up faster than a jogger that didn't stretch before a run. And what we're going to go over today is exactly that, the top 3 most popular food processors that you can use to cook with in the kitchen. Beginning at the top of our list of most popular food processors, we have the FIMEI 12-cup multifunctional food processor. The FIMEI food processor can do most kitchen jobs fast and easily, such as using it as a mincer, chopper, puree, cutting, slicing, and coarse/fine shredding. The FIMEI food processor even comes with 3 cutting/slicing/shredding discs, along with a chopping blade and dough blade to meet your particular needs. All attachments can be removed to clean easily and are even dishwasher safe and BPA free. To protect yourself when it's working, the food processor has the dual lock protection and will work only when the bowl is locked with the base and the top lid locks with the bowl. If you want to add food during the time it's on, all you gotta do is add from the large feed chute without having to stop the machine. The food processor features a 3.2-liter bowl with up to 2-liter working capacity, which enables you to process a wide range of ingredients with ease. With a 600-watt powerful motor and a pulse function, you can ground meat, knead dough easily and efficiently. Plus, the machine is also designed with 3 variable speeds and plus pulse to meet all your needs when preparing food. The modern glass panel allows you to see how fine you want to chop your food so you don't end up overdoing it and making salsa with every meal. By the way, today's sponsor is ExpressVPN. They're consistently the top choice for staying anonymous online, torrenting safely, and accessing geo-restricted streaming content. You can check out the description for our full review along with a special discount if you're interested. Coming up next on the list, we've got the Hamilton Beach 12-cup food processor. If you're looking for a food processor with a brand name that you can trust, then by all means, you're in the right place with the Hamilton Beach 12-cup food processor. Prep the freshest ingredients with their powerful 450-watt motor and 2-speed plus pulse control, which will save you time and money. With the 12-cup capacity and stainless steel S blades, you will slice, shred, chop, slice, dice, mix, and puree just about anything within seconds. The Hamilton Beach 12-cup food processor is simple to assemble and use with its stack and snap design, which requires no difficult twisting or locking, letting your hands not strain themselves every time you want to put it together. On top of that, the Hamilton Beach 12-cup food processor comes with a big mouth feed chute that fits whole foods for quick, easy processing and less prep time. This food processor is a great budget buy, holding its own against many of the top-tier models that you might find at more expensive prices. If you're looking for a new food processor that isn't going to slice and dice your budget, the Hamilton Beach 12-cup food processor is a great option, especially if you want something that can slice and shred. Rounding down our list of the most popular food processors, we have the Magiccos 7-in-1 food processor. This Magiccos XL capacity and powerful motor is built with a 14-cup food processor bowl that is sustainable for most households, especially for party throwers. It is versatile and large enough to handle various tasks like chopping beef and making dough. Also, the 1000-watt motor provides more powerful performance than competing food processors, making it simply perfect for cutting hard ingredients up efficiently. The unique digital touch panel design on this food processor includes an LCD touch panel with an embedded timer, 3 preset Auto IQ programs, along with smoothie/meat chopping/ice crush functions, which free your hands for specific jobs without needing to keep an eye on the processor the whole time. Be a foodie within seconds, as instead of classic low/medium/high speed control, this food processor comes with 7 variable speed control mechanisms, all of which are made possible via only one rotary switch. The pulse function enables the product to incrementally chop food in addition to management of the blade to prevent overprocessing. There are 7 accessories included, which include a chopping blade, a dough blade, spatula, reversible shredding blade disc, reversible slicing blade disc, and mashing blade discs respectively, making it where you can make just about anything to your heart's desire. The bowl and all the blades and discs included are detachable and can be easily washed in running water or warm soapy water. Also, all detachable accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze and letting you have a clean kitchen at the end of a wonderful cooking session. So there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular food processors that are out there on the market. Which one do you want to grab and use for your next big meal or party in the backyard? Are there any food processors that we missed? which you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do. Plus, subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you do want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, you can check them out down in the description below if you want to pick them up. If you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then click on one of these videos here to learn more.